Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw XRP from Gemini to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, securing your assets is more important than ever. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you move your XRP safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Gemini account with XRP in it, a fully configured Ledger Nano X device, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or mobile. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. By 2025, this might include enhanced security features for assets like XRP. Step 1. Open your Ledger Live app and connect your Nano X using the USB cable. Once it's connected, navigate to the XRP wallet in the app. If you haven't added XRP yet, go to the Manager section, install the XRP app on your device, and create or import your wallet. This ensures your Ledger is ready to receive funds. Next, log into your Gemini account on their website or app. Head over to the Withdraw section, select XRP as the cryptocurrency, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, here's the crucial part. Copy the XRP receiving address from your Ledger Live app. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful to avoid any typos. That could send your XRP to the wrong place. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Gemini. Add any required tags or memos if XRP needs them for your Ledger, and double-check everything. Hit Withdraw, and confirm the transaction with your Gemini 2FA for security. In 2025, expect faster processing times due to network upgrades, but it might still take a few minutes to an hour. Once the withdrawal is initiated, keep an eye on your Ledger Live app. You'll see the XRP arrive in your wallet shortly. Pro tip: always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams, and never share your seed phrase. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely stored on your Ledger Nano X. This method keeps your assets offline and protected from hacks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.